Ehia me pa.
Ehia pa asasai.
Ehia me.
Anko akwati so obeba. Yes oba. Into oba na e ono so de ajan. Ebusu afọ mama kwa baba backyard kitchen. Asa asam ne enyan kan so ya nom me nuamu ai that munya take decision.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
Asam ne enyan kan enso no o ma dan o ma take decision. Asam no enyan kan na enso achinye kakra dan aba ho. Me no kasa me twan papa na o so TV so aso ti ade no. Chairman Akwasi Ernest. Also the hope was so beba. Inti Naza Chairman me atwa acha. Wo gina ni wo pakia ba oba.
So that over chairman. Over chairman na naja. Me ni me ho batani. Oh batani. We have no ho batani.
You have to sing before I open the topic. I should give you the topic before you give me.
Give me the topic first.
Chairman Mama Kwaba.
This is how I come out.
I knew if you're in the kitchen.
I had a kitchen and I say bedroom because
one said we fear. Uber saw some near ma. Now with space we were chewa. This is how you should do it. Also to me baby. How to me dear bro.
I dey perceive food.
Don't come and speak English here.
Me perceive food. Me I no go get osa. I dey perceive food.
Why they told you they can't chop bar?
No, I don't dey perceive.
Food is coming.
I didn't want to kitchen and TV kakake.
Backyard kitchen, Hano.
Grab a petit.
Yeah, but say, we fear no said you TB to me be unless say we compound.
Okay.
Excuse me to say on that level.
Okay.
But our compound kakra anymore. Now space kakra which you want. This is how you can convert it to. You know you can sleep here.
Yeah.
We lock this side. We lock this side. Here. Ya bo pergola.
Yes.
This freezers high sense wa anti aboafo na me bubo mu din no. High sense wa ha. Hwe ye wo display one na. Your drinks go. Na ye nya sponsors na very soon. Enkomo cost nti e benya sponsors.
Wow.
E di ababa begum.
Wow.
No the freezers e dey keep you papa. So na me promote me brand no. Na u peja. Enam high enam de.
Auntie, you're quite a baby.
Yeah, fan coffee, you do. Yeah, I am here. Patch off. I
Yamia for bound to be going.
Everywhere. I love to see ya.
Okay.
And I hired Diana, and I hired you.
I have refreshment.
Yes.
Okay.
I had Diana, and never can I enter me coffees and fruit near there. So we don't have water here.
Okay.
Into your crown on baby every day. And my fruit now per se. Oban bano. And from Manfaso, Emma Fridge, no, I say.
Sister, when you put such as we are, all banner do is 7.
And now, about if you're for any no. Remember when you now cover ever backyard kitchen. You my dear, you didn't come I see a trim. Now, you jay watching you fear. Into also crano. What me my topic maybe our your comment section where bear the pa. Teach you our your YouTube page or is that some yan I'm sure that made me kind hopper. Me da say. Me dey say that am high sense. Holy. Say holy e the repellent haba. Say net here. Ani ye wo repellent e da bag ma kama. E sham e wo lemon fragrant e betumi aboa wo na nka kra wo ho a eboa ema e yi free ho. Na wo ti abonten so ana wo ta kwa abonten so dia. E bi show bag mu pa chopi. E ka chilling ne ho. Ani ye da holy mosquito coil and insecticide spray no so ase. Me ba cho Syntex tank. Yeah, strong and yeah, tough. Syntex. Oh, top water tanker. To Syntex. SINTEX. Me that's it. Ebio sanya my way. I can say no way. Insurance be a wow. Now they hear them now be who. Into my way insurance make am for Eddie. I'm sure a chap wine. Dial *165#. Never can we see no. Me that's it. I don't tell you for. Yabama munyina ma mu introduction and sana masa repeat topic no. And I say munya introduction and sana masa maka topic no. Yanko. Da Costa start here o dey.
Start here. Usa una Usa white.
Ya family da Costa. Mrs. Teni na munna mu na me masa mi ni munyina mu da na masa fi ha fi.
Ha fi o dey.
Discussion dey bibia te say you fi di.
Na che say won na fridge ni na sisi a.
Chama, me na me ambassador. Me na me ambassador.
Ade kuma na yesi yedi.
What I say? Ene busuafo, one of my good friends, I'm a penasem. Na me dono pa, na me kana bontiamo. He's a very good friend, more than a family. And Tony has been good to me and my family. So we all see him as a family. And Tony, you do the introduction. I saw Papa we.
I knew.
Kafra.
And I made the Bibia so I say. So Mobile America Jan if a fair Kumasi.
Yes.
Let me need some more dom size. Watch your model to be obey ye bia. Yeah, Nadajo say, and then the cacao, the mammy said,
yeah, we have a welcome.
I assume. I Kakrabi will be at the baby. I mean, it's what me do be so I say.
Yes.
See, a friend Tony texted, Minya penny in Nana Ama. The casa tinting, mean some pence and munting at my bed.
Yes. Yes, he's a very honest person. I mean, Chairman, there's no need for introduction.
Maybe Nana manager.
Nana manager.
Nana was talking at you. Nana was talking about.
Nana Nana manager so manager can you?
I'm a lawyer for a year contract.
Me dem pay lawyer for Jumai.
Come
MOU.
Okay.
Stamps is me stamps.
So the beba.
Sa letter no me do court on that.
Mate, the beba.
Only idea chairman me.
Oh my, so my yakwa wi that. Aha, say it here wan say enyi en watching.
Do we so any person dey chin you nti na ne ba ba give you. Chairman mama nim roll so. Chairman. Mama. Pacha madam.
Never so beja, me ala ta kofi nanam.
Ala ta foreigner.
Oh, you're foreigner.
Foreigner. Nigeria a foreign country. So, if I'm in Paramount, I'm a stand-up comedian, United States of Nigeria, one of the best country in the world.
Oh dear.
We have the vibrant president, the most youngest and hardworking president. He doesn't speak, he doesn't sleep, no corruption.
He doesn't slumber.
He doesn't slumber. We don't take bribe, we don't keep.
And you are even fighting America.
We are the only country that have fight America. No country in Africa. We say we'll fight America. Donald Trump is begging us for 2 days now that we are still thinking about it. What we can do. China have to come to us, to speak to us, to say, Nigeria, calm down.
Back down.
Calm down. Then we say we'll think about it. Even after talking now, Ghanaians want to join us. Then we say, you can't join Americans. You can't join us. So by the grace of God, we are the only country that qualify for African Cup, Nations Cup, Witchcraft Cup. We qualify for everything.
Every Ghanaian do this. Every Ghanaian do this. But you see, I like you. I like you. You've made life here and you're enjoying it. And that's all we want. However, it seems to be mocking Ghanaians. I was stealing our music and combining it with some lyrics on your social media. And then I make up for hey, Nasa, Nasa cry to tree change. Hey, comfort.
Me to tree kaka.
Amen. Nane wano. I may ye smart me se see am bacho. What you kaka. Kaza me to tree. And then come on and say, I was one for. Someone nam na wako sure baby. Who send near maybe as a vibe no ye juma. Open asem. Ba open asem no who sell bano. Juma pa dan nsa no pa woni tirim ne na ho adimu e say o ton ne ho adidie empa bo ntumi nsa isaka ba mu enyeye ade a ayeso na chede sa no ko show baby ono so come on but every morning be evening afternoon Utunufu anyumre no obolitinko. I promise heaven and earth for my honor to be faithful to you and never. Anopochichu ni siwe ya odi si onu ache no. Chese aye sama ni mienu no. Obefa de. De oton ne ho se be sibre edididi no. Ana se de ono udi agro obetumi atutu ni wig ma koton. E de aye ama no ho aton mo pede yen see atate you hard drug any the or
yeah yeah pa
Mana kasa
sister me kasa
okay Chama go ahead
sister
yes
asem we tetetia
okay
dedi ka ya moajo
yeah Joso
na wo ha so ya ma wo ha fa pa
ai
na me kwesi de se obi sa me se
yeah fancy moachi
yeah moachi
ani
sister se obi sa me se wo mu nyinu no bia oton dubone ono also yusu dubone a wonum wodi bi so wodi bi sra wodi bi gunu mu ne dia wo ye be si bradwuma a chese woton no ya me mum de na me se nka no kwanika obi sa me ni na mo sister anka me po bi a woton no
mama nko one never next who Tony or Parrot
ya pa Ghana yanko Nigeria ma
yanko Nigeria mra kwa ba why Uji mienu dai
the two girls
what
the one that sells herself and the one
Parrot you can't chew from how
okay
o percentage na ga say wo be function
hard drugs no ni other one because on says me far way obe fast canubra now we the cotton drugs so online say combine business so media make some wisdom a business strategy
but as someone you still have to choose one.
I will choose hard drugs.
You choose the hard drugs?
Yes.
Okay. Tony, you choose one. Let's go.
It's you choose the the bet now.
The old power in it now. The muno wabetum bako no eno na Nyankopon zi yi bako na me ma okwan. Ai.
Me feel say the me na de ka sebio enhedanye but the upia metiko akohemu dia me say me ne chama be ya adwen. Enti mefa de sebe oton no ho no.
The oton no ho no.
Mum eja de oton enumone na o san num bi no nyeza ti two troubles.
So the advance one num bi. Onum bi.
Two troubles ya no be de. Enti me
mefa de one trouble onum bi. Owia no ho num.
Enti onton mi.
They won to me.
Owia no ho num.
Owia no ho num. Quite frequent.
Still am ne chama be ya adwen. Me wo me reasons it's you do what
sir
me person
when you say a issue about we are not just speaking something we are sitting at you near na ito a issue about obi e issue or demo a man no mienu no on say member bebre so wotima asem no nie e member bebre wotima pa ohun nipa saa opeso oboan saa member nso ne tenhia saa kwanhia no etimi etowem
yokonso no
inti nipa no nyese ye de adesoa na asoa no it is working out of them inside to help say nipa no why now be fan based on that inti na pese this an common papa ya
okay I'll go in for but I'll go in for the autonomy.
The autonomy.
I'll go in for the autonomy.
Nana Ama fight against Nigerian man. It can never be possible. It should be 2 against 2.
Addiction.
Right from Nigerians were always alone.
Papa, before that, GCO, first table needs to say, "Amam." Never or submission, Brem.
Yeah. I'll say, Obi wa hono mo and nam bibi so na ma okurati baby mu.
Okay.
Enti oba wa okurati baby mu auton ne ho. Se wo hia wo na se ohun se wo intention ye pure. Na no le betena. Otimi esesa na ho. Etimi fiti be but obi koto drugs mu a na otomu ntentan pa. One hwe a wo sika kra na ono wote a before the mu ho so no. Na watwe wo sika nyina ma wo akere. Because o de ne wo jai wo chene wakutum. Ene wo jai wo chene wakutum. Before we realize no na bibia ankoyi. But the ono eto ne ho ansa na obehia no de say o ye good ma wo. Na office obetumi na tena. Na utimi nya alternative means nipa betumi dey adwuma itimi na osesa no. Nti I'll go in for the autonomy after the
now I will open up for the reason why you choose a point because from what you are saying I also have a point to ask you.
Okay.
Meko Tony so we'll choose here. Let's go.
Nana say in chemu no me pese meti ade bi ase ye. One say there's a difference between addiction and the na sebio ebia efie nye nti na wo yes adwuma no e de aboa no ho na ahwe na busia te say dey okay the oton no say be
any enterprise
we be enterprise ode ye adwuma de aboa na busia addiction there you can addiction I was saying the different level say that fire and the different level.
No, we are looking at how we can help.
Okay,
we are not accusing.
No.
Let's assume say the oton no ho fine fefie.
Okay.
Because everybody is doing this for a feeling.
Okay. Any now your grounds.
Yeah, say obi ati. Yeah, fans obi aye for feeling.
See, fans say wa fan no still because say ono was a year and say
yes.
O say faith bit my
for achi ni ade.
Asa akwa
and mo say bi mu.
Come on say we put you in a fix. It should not be where you can make a choice out of the question.
Exactly.
I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, it should be on the level ground.
Right. The woman who sells her body, she can't stop. You live with it forever. But then we will have to look at how Saoko taught her how anymore.
But Nana, they attend so home. If we are say by Ubia or ye bia one excuse. So that we share will be a real petition. Obeka us and ye for yarenti and a doctor because one wins a gakra. Benya Bible quotation, Crody Agra, Utrano, Benya Bible quotation, at the attention. What I say, Obafetch the Arians Habra. We share will be a or yet modern for and no be or abusive for. Obenya reason why and tea or non and Sahan or Tampa and Confasum. We shall be so or no drugs as well. Obeka us a brand new son. None offer, Kunimu, or Tasman man Cotos.
Time to Yana
what I say. Thousand of question business so I want to turn on one. Obaka just a next can if you or school no yes can't find him. Anything a mile has so the and the obeton not their venom. Or the Hoberman man when you scatter into Obia war, particular reason, dear, or dear baby. A woman man now be decided to say out of the lot no. So be or no do bonny and will be a ton what dear. Make us see the Obisamia. Therefore will be a ton. A man at the table nine. If it is school, brother, purpose sebre. Your name Martin or them one. No man can say no more to no more the team member who chicken you name the
yes.
What will you do on child left and right? What am I?
Someone
yes, exactly. Mother no more than what will you be? Still I him say do acquire nipsia. So how we know what you film. Sister, they know we go near Francis Wanka. What you film? What you film? One more crown. Your manager, one or more time, copper time. I can say this as a bepama. Sister, addiction there, apart from class nipa no ne kidneys na yi na yebekọ kolebu akwakoye ba conference on bro from person say David umoja dialysis yebekọ akọrọ dialysis wo kidney mu no apart from no nipa na nkasa kwa nche say sad ne koto rehab but if it ya na nanoma be so bepem na ete me hu oba bia oba ahya wa de na kwa rehab
na hu oba bi so oba ahya wo wo che ma oni ma say
I don't know question.
Yeah, listen, right now we won't wait for anybody. If you want to make a point, you can come out.
I'm facts in the way, and ask me who's me, you do wrong side.
Please stay on your side. You should stay on their side.
Go for
stay on your side.
At this point, you have the power to decide.
Yes, so please, everybody stay.
You have the power to decide.
Follow your own.
Ogara no so Jimmy na me
now this is the issue.
Maybe I'm trying maybe say a question be say chairman can say be say oba no a yeah kele ole ewurade kam ni me say kofa
nka tan kwa pete
chairman nya o can say be say your turn ho no school in no na your boys and girls
you to film
this the time I went to school when you a decision we are also no batna and I hear movie as I come my mienu na aka we ase man nyina no aka my mienu do your dog no when you take our adwuma oje pe no da drop e ma bottom but problem is say or hard drop your turn on so no oton ho pa so ahun huska but what me say now what can no oh you say addiction there where we hwe nyeye on the other side say oba on ne tie how e adwuma No, but here. I would to me turn the home a brand in it here. Wouldn't him say to me affect to a juma? Affect to health, said your day idea beba. And in your baby.
Oh, sister, a ban a hot dear no cranny me no. The decan a ban to say or did the oil no best sibrano or they say what juma. The decan, first of all, I saw down or Pentecost war. You be called you bit Marco Bompire. Emma, a juma no person was said at me a few. A ban who says Uncle Fire, Resuma, Bema, or hope opportunity say, who's or baby a best banana net in a wounds on trustana, Koto condemnation, and some another. Into protection avenue, but at drugs, dear, you need protection avenue. Be
Hey,
exactly. And I mean, the country was a sister.
Nasa, you Crophobia Chroma. No, me, no more.
Oh, sister, one more year drugs are. Up to name, no can say. One more no I shall brand a bed, Sibra, if it is suicide, a better woman. Baby now, as you say, I dying, Ukoya, class, and that the baby now was terrible than ever cast them. At the even quite a tabuchi, and I may no cassay. One was so a year drugs have a permanent, Meno cassay, when I'm come or my other sort of my chihuahua, madam.
Nana, who say you're great woman.
No, because I did not also saw Shabby all the point.
Make my call or pay on poem, but my can on.
I do too. What's
that? See the chairman cano. And I see the now also channel. It's immediate, you find sense to so be bar or turn on. It's immediate to so bonny be so. It's immediate, bro. Baby crap, spiritually crowd will be bad. You say spiritual sense and so crap on. No crowd to me about who fear and I say me affect so. But maybe who say who compare me and what the onum no or conum no about. What are the disadvantages? Say or foul cigar and a debia or the conum a bowl cap. And I say, a Japadia will better mo ye bomuno. A home intimate sippy because they say on my one, on my moral support because they be our high. Maybe what I say, and collab baby ma. What rights frame of mind the woman or the better collab. So what I say, and really now, but you know, she betting me argue to say, yeah, no, need to say, so to pay. Why I be first one, I'll bet me no bar. Say you or no in the bonnet atina. So won't be money in your crowd.
So your doctor background.
Me patron, but on the okay. Can you cast us so like they say how? Was all no gynecologist. It took us on gas. Okay, fine. It's a bit me Susu say oba or no makes me control no more. Because how na be woman menusa. Since say oba say be autono. See okay, see the person on it na about brother. And then they be a move she ma I do condom. What's in them as a bad person in the when you will get.
I don't see your point though.
See,
why should you be sleeping with your woman every day in condom?
With any condom. And then no bear me ding. Since say
money be quick, money be.
And no bear since say oba sebi o no money. And the edges soon are making about there no be. Sika, you find the beating with the age of the AV.
Also, no one who
and then also account match, Kwame on Befaso, and then Savoka. It's a mika. So there's a preventive way of preventing.
They don't know when it's Sika.
I don't know how to say you, no, still say, could be on the other count here one.
And
content, but
now says Sicano, sister, bra, as my walking. Sicano, or cost of the Numan do Bonnet no money. Abessa. One more year addiction, 1 more year drugs, baby, now, sister, baby, now, on my account.
You want to talk?
You will talk,
Chairman.
you go talk, now me make a permit to make you talk.
So, permission.
Okay, you don't make a permit. You are permitted.
My target.
Thank you. First of all, there is nobody that is doing drugs that is poor. Before you start doing drugs, that means you have money. Because drugs is not cheap. So it's either you are from a good home,
or you work for it,
or you steal it, Now, if you are from a good home and I marry you, if you die, I'm the next of king. See the advantage, oh. Look at what God brought to your table that you reject. You regret it now. Now, if you work for it and you die too, I'm the next of king. So whatever goes around comes to me. Now,
thank you.
If me and you are there, you already have the money. You are doing drugs. It is not my money that I use to do the drugs. It is your money.
Yeah.
That means before I marry you, you are okay.
Yes.
That means God has answered my prayer first.
You know go spend.
I will not spend. But you, that you went to marry, now you will not be doing tests every week to know when you will die. Because the moment they diagnose your wife, if they diagnose you too, it's A and A.
AI.
So you understand that, Chairman. So as you marry on Sunday, you do will on Monday.
Because you may die on Tuesday.
So you see your problem now.
You have a point, but
No,
I'm
I
still.
don't have the point. For my point, I will have.
Yeah.
Now, but my own, all you do is just sniff, sleep, sniff, sleep, sniff, sleep.
But that one to the body go start changing.
That is the problem. The body should change. In life, if you are a human being and you don't change, it's only God that change, that did not change. Only God. So as a human being, you have to change. So if you marry and your wife did not change, that means you've not married human being. You've married spirits. So you see, so my own, there's always game. At the end of the tunnel, there's light for
You
me.
are trying to change my mind, but I'm still.
I can't change your mind.
You are trying to change my mind.
You see,
This is the opposite of somebody in bed.
only that year we should put I'm on a point not looking good, but I stand with the initial committee.
Yeah.
Say obia drugs there's no guarantees or you're rich. There's no research. There's no research. I back it. Drugs are rich. Research being I back it again. You who or more drugs. Or more drugs, and you're only one person in. You know you who or more drugs. There is no guarantee say only rich people do drugs. That one I'll stay on that point.
And also I'll back you with a fact that sometimes the rich people cry because of the drug they go broke.
Yes, there's no guarantee. And you know I want to still maintain the way it is. Say when I want to share the panel, a be not rich, a optional, a be not a poor. That can change your baby original. Even those who is captain will start here, it means they will coach. Because sometimes we are dragging you out to me. Sometimes on normal hours, cross or the edge, man. Which me, which one wabre. It me affect it. A conference person here scan and son, I will start to drag some. Emma later, which me echo down. Two, a bit also who after the work and say, we are only scout drugs and be a we are. Yes, and so we are that drugs can take you to another stage. I also want this and also implications I will. And now, yes, I was say, a be an after we didn't pan it's a better fee no. We cry now over no. We jawa the to why and so another issue. And so police issues that can also come along with the so situation no. And you know, yeah can say you know. Say yeah can e be difficult. But you should the obetimi manage. And na we gina so the choose. One with the point no yes. And you know say we take drugs. Now one that affect what we taking and what we seek asem. And now o partner na na the so affect seek asem. Two. And we are looking what implications I say sometimes you know okoto and now okoton time I will take it means landing into law issues and also how partner na be betimi affect you and na obi a oye drugs onya you know all the time bia no I say etimi twetwe ko ba bia wa unom no kwa no umpese wo beko but na drugs no etwetwe ko do serious those effects are there when na ba wo ma wo the blood ni mu no wo na ba wo ma only background blood issues crana and san and pan be nyinsen it be affecting nyinsen so we take out drugs na we nyinsen it me affect akra no as be effect akra na be wo so you understand it say what issue of death marking no e say mark o generational descendants because say we check it there for now we check it o ma death and o grandchildren death ni nyina comes out with the drug issue you know there's a reason why we are looking at the other side say fine oba autonomo no I want to say that good. But only option be and now before we see any pana. Now we starting not now. There could be a way out. Say the can we go on to me and no. And we also are now how children did come. And so which is also
now obu oye dog no son be a broken.
Yes, so that minimum
broken heart.
I'm not justifying the dinipan come. But me can say sanipan okosia moa. Now we decide say obejaya. It will not be too difficult to address because you are minimum from 2002. Ebesine o share bi ebusa miska obisa wa so enu ojai wo china obeja
na be say onim say mama ntwemo adwen si ade we so
fire do kakra
titru yet me to relationship mu that's how relationship na and landing into problems be to say abuse a bit to say drugs obebi okra sabe no onye na so be smoking so be ma bi ena ye den o hia no a be ma ne ye sa ne ma ne ye den ekoye bi
Manual.
Ema ne koye bi what I said na abeka ne so na wo akwa hia ye make nie saa oba na so betumi ahia be ma foforo bi a
ono so akote bi esa mu
ono so oba no be do no tie odo be ma bi na be ma no ye den ene ekokire no saa na wode ane na mu a unim se obetumi abehia be ma bi odo no na saa be ma na tumi aboa no ama na ja
sister no kwere ba akopɛ said the parrot ekire mu so oba no obenye sika fa akoses oye eye but when say nipa bia no wudo obi a odo na manipa do obi o you love what somebody would laugh when you odo na odo ado obi ebi a oba na ukofa na woye ba sibra woni option bi ntia ba ma wakofa no with time no so wan kasa ba ma no wutumi demonstrate care ni attention the man no etumi chinetena wo so akohwe ya medo na mom tebe na wonam no o say ye wo wanim ye abcd xyz ya obetumi rescue ni panentem ama na free sat bia o wonim send de ye huni bi bebre minim nipa kra minim nipa bi a meme makọ word na ni nipa no oba na nipa no wa no ye best no gina kwan ho ofa no to go embassy olukushia no ho no gina kwan no kofa no ana go and come so finally ubenya love man na o want to some komo ya yedi am but the lady is fine uko ni yi a makola shop awaji e ho ti anu a wa sister to sister no credit e ba akopɛ
she still who stand by
me stand by herself ana me di kaka to sister obi no ndrubone a ye ba asase so rehab ayesi ya no yesi rehab de masabi obibire na wo mo ye ndrubone yetumi de no kotena ho na yeso we ye wutu kwa monone a bibire na da ne junkies
krom ha kranya na
bibire na sikafomba wo mo ada ne junkies e de mo kaso mo weska na wo mo papa no weska wo mo ada ne junkies but me no ka say me hu obi a wabo ba sibra ama de na ko rehab
ebi so aba momofu adoa o
wa sister wa fudua
ebi abo
fudua dia wa fudua ye betuma ma atwetwe
nti u pacho say let's look at the help we can give to any passer they were addicted no and I said they own to me jai a prostitution let's look at how ye betuma e dia abo say nipa no na amasobi wo saa we ni mu a wenye
de di kan say nipa no de betuma de abo an say wo be ma preko na wa say nipa no ese say de di kan wo kire no odo na o mane hunu say de a onyankopɔ do nipa no ne tebia wo bia no wo so ye debe wo do no ese wo show no ase say wo sanso kran because nipa no wo de enye say wo ye ne kekese sabe ne ba bi ne ye dentin wo twifa so wo ne mom wo de pesca what I say o de ye de pesca enti
sika no say wo hu so
sika so kwa wo hu so
enti wo be bi account man na
the best thing you do is say be ma sa no say wutumi ye bold na di a say dwa bi na ba hye nipa na wo hye ne dwa hye say nipa ne dwa afeso kanifu a wo ye ne kakamu a obekọ ma biem afeso wankasa so sa find ne nipa ne weakness point baby a bia wo so do on ma ade no wo ya na edu ba bia na ati say car say be yatwa afa so no na edel na ye more into on ma na ka kakapio pio pe na okọ
eka beja wadwuma na se no ho ana
ese utumi ye ne shofe
nursing father
ese we ne nursing father na wo tena no ho unya no ho adagire because obey no sa kopin time a obo so afede oya normalized unya wo so normalized obi won mo normalized na ni nko na chibiem oba fie onyado oba fie obi hu se be ma bi wo fie odo no onko trap oba onko be ma bi ho e ma ba bi bi sa ne nko nkoda biem
on say obi eni ho a obi free prekope ehye obi a onim se we drugs tane waro de we bezi baseme waro enti ase bi baba mu mienu ntemu ansa na obi a onim se owo life bi se mu na be ma so obe waro hu se nipa no obo ne homodin tu so baba homodin ehia ne baby the moment a obi a obehia wa onim se uton ho na obeka so obe waro na ono wadi nkomo adu baby enti na meka se obi ho no a ohia obi a obe waro na itimi bo ama na tatete ne ni mebi so onye nhia no de on life wo but ohia be ma nim say to don we na me wo enso so obe ware me no hon ko atimi ma o start dwene mienu say utimi meeting halfway a itimi bo ama otimi tetene me bi so ye di nkomo but ye say tufo you understand enti no say ohia obi saa na wakosa ate bi ani mu atwam na say woni nkomo de mu na woni ni kita wodi mu aye willing say obesesa na odono na ofise obi betima ya aboa na e ma ni mu wabem
That's it.
e ma ni mu wabem na emom no mu be work it towards it wo e mo abetim di aboa na fa boa no but who compare with drugs na baby a me feel wo ye addiction only bakra willing so be jai kwali na enye easy but we know this the party nyana just obijai
na fe na basa
addict also ya na nye easy
obija kwa na babo na basa
addict no wo ho ba anya hwe kra no wuti wuja kra wuti anya bi wo dem ba obi we drug wo kat onya ya na te the party nyai kra o te me de wuja yes wo kwa bonte na wujai but sex no still betimenya just that the only kwa ahane na wujai but ubenya bi di asoso ati say we drugs na ye ma wujai ya
point no wo ho
yetimi ma okakra at the time say the be ya e be
drugs no ye ma okakra
so you say
ni pa no onye den yin fa mbo asani
enti ni pa no one thing here first man who say me option say metimi etwem akọ but me gina because we sex aspect na o bibi woni mu ansa na be ma bi se oba o ye beti bi person one no na o hu bibi papa bi woni mu different from sex no eno na motivate you enti no ma fa woni si de o hu woni mu na ye no so na ene ni nkomo na try say wo be meeting halfway na motimi free ho no machia na motimi move on me de metimi aka no ma si de wo hu woni mu na wo se unkura
obi okwa e obi mo e best be so hwe fi pa
I twa so one man come right now we are advising and we are also seeking help. How can we help a person like that?
For me, if you're a man, you are caught up in between these things. Marry the one that is doing drugs. Take her close. Pray with her. 3 things. You see, because drugs is hard. So you mix communion wine, anointing oil, then the big salt. Use the big salt to bath her. Add communion, then anoint her. She will be fine. Advise her. Give her care. Because
wait. Are you prescribing?
So I'm giving them. I'm showing them how they will do their thing.
What you are doing, FBI Jatum say?
They say it's spiritual work. The FBI doesn't know anything about spiritual work.
And to the spiritual side.
Spiritual aspects. The spiritual control the physical. Sum we are seeing. What you are seeing? Good.
From four. Oloshi.
So when you love the person, when you show the person love, show the person.
You still stand by your position.
Yes, I stand by my
position. You want the addicted one.
Yes. Because when you show the see everybody that is doing something, there's what it will shock you that the person have never taken a drugs before. But because of what happened, maybe because of how she lost the mom, because of how
broken
she lost broken heart.
Most of the time, it's men that take
and the men that you see, most girls that are into those things is because of broken hearts. And the people that break their hearts, they are called manual.
Thank you.
So if you draw the person close, you show the person affection, you show the person love, you show the person reason why this will not help them. This will not take you anywhere. Because now we are living together. You are my wife. I want the best for you. And in the
you are the wife, but you are a minor. You go under the mind. So 3 weeks, 2 weeks. You are. Oh, do you understand? You are not available at the time too. What can you do?
So what can I do? Is you see, even if you are not available, the way you talk to the person to look like you are there. Everybody needs affection. So when you lack that affection, that's when you go back to what you want to do. So if I am not there, I can provide.
But do you know that? Would you agree with me? Say majority no more drugs, no more can occur.
It's true.
That
is the spirit of manual.
It is all friend also. I know near wending.
That's spiritual attack.
Okay.
Mato
the first amnesty.
Sister, question
number 2.
Drugs cry kunu. Because to me, children, no abon drugs say kunu. Or shany demo, no alokopono. And that's the dangerous aspect of it.
Yes. But what you suicide the waiting patch.
Oh yeah.
Danger na the abubo biso. So conclusion, first help is spiritual.
Second is physical. Get close to the person, talk to the person, love the person, show the person affection. I believe the person will be fine. There is nobody that is beyond repair. At a point in everybody's life, they will realize that, okay, fine, I want to work with this. I want to do this for myself. Give the person reason to live again. Because to the person, that is the best
That
option.
means love,
Yes.
prayer,
Yes.
and more of input.
Yes, input. The person will
Thank
be fine.
you.
Me also my dome dear sir.
Tony, last one after him, Paul.
Yes, I think sir.
Nah.
Obi ache kwan a betima afa so aboa either your friend is saying sebi oba oton ho and I say oba ofa no money. Na me hu say ni me no tile na me che no me wo no money side ko me hu say bia ho na moa no betimi aye easier to solve.
Okay.
Obi abo spiritual, obi abo care, right? Yeah, me nim say key thing e be ka ho no medical and your friend is scientific way no so. I don't see a key part. They said there were psychiatric hospitals that help in that regard. And I was psychologists and so on. As I say, first thing they say was any pakwaji to say your oil on pay. That is the key thing. So the pakwaji to say I didn't me person Mrs. Anna Hamia Edding say ubetimi dim wabi abuano. Into say ojitum sa no you're ready say oh yam
medical no.
Exactly.
And
now, yeah, the enough as I want to say the name you be my speaker to say yeah pesi saw sa edge na na sa addiction na yeah the mount kakanka there are so many ways scientifically meaning mobi no because of cigarettes ne cigar ne and yamano so be giant yeah what chewing gum beer the man it has a little bit of nicotine and sa yamano it's constantly no rich chewing gum into them man no your friend is adding so as time goes on, they were reducing the amount of nicotine and those things in the chewing gum. And a man, it's me jay. It's not me see them make me for bizarre. Say the bear as aquine so no say more simpler than much more simpler than will be a sebi.
You've made a point too. I was for me that say. Yeah, that was why.
That's it.
Oh manager, thank you for coming.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much. What's it?
Asante.
Ajaba ibajo kelele ebabuaji o. Brother for.
Asante.
Ebusa for me na mwase backyard kitchen ye. Minim say on komo bi e wo se edi na kire. Enti mi bi se chairman no aboso kakra bi. Chairman na wo ka de do ba.
Yeah. Na me tell about emerging Ghana. Yankopo ya adoma this year December na omu de se omo sra so didin sa fe December e de e fe ni 27th e kono de omo ne Her Excellency ba kope omo si wiase na emna mehwe Her Excellency Nana Ama McBrown omo celebrate Africa se pa je se ye go so una ye the key speaker o ko kasa a kire ma wo wiase na amomo hu di ntia Yankopo bo mo ma ba wiase ene familia yesu mema
ma
ka ye tara mo ho
ma
and this is a free day esi so didin
obo ye ebusafo yo chairman me da asese de chairman ka no ampa na chairman one for venue to dwa one for date to dwa obese it se me amen kama dia na ene na manager majama adio
so za ko anim
enti ebusafo se de ye ka no dwumadie bi da manim pa eye mahohoahoa eye me fe ye ma osepe se December 27th oni mi be hia na ema ye nyina ya ka bom na ye di nkomo na mema chairman de company eba be ye program na nkasa din ene edani dru a theme ye gina so de di nkomo chairman ye memwa
na afei said the medical catch mu no ema conference mu odu kese pa ya pa wankasa Her Excellency Nana Osu Agonachi akope e di usi so this year ewo adwumade nase na this year na kasa conference na di eda so the renewed woman 2025 sa pepe renewed woman 2025 and this year is so ewo Emmanuel Enclave ewo Laboni aho na adwumade no ebekoso Emmanuel Enclave aho kozo aho kese pa che se ye sese ho num se hyirim pa na manya ne ntie sa afie no team na edaso asempo a edaso a ye beka ho asema na wo begina so akasa ama mani na nye bibia free mo e de bia kofie ekodi bronya ene new year no the recharge the recharge
not to say we should date na date near 27 December dia ye ba betie si nyame ya adoma 2026
that's right
say 2005
and says in the bronya mo anu no ye ko new year
2025 mun ye won if ye ko 2026 mun no you really need to recharge yourself and to me per se So we individual entrepreneur. Na no chese oba na bema. Pacha nka yema program ba yeton sa fe mema. Emema ye den. Eso ye den emma me support ma no. Na we oba, so we entrepreneur. So ya benjumani. So de o ma me wo sika gudem a wudie. So woni bie na fe na obe hyase. Baby bia ango ni free bia no. Let's come together and tap from each other. Into 27th no ye be chen. Ha, Emmanuel Enclave. What is share Google Map mo ebeba. It's so 27th December. Na say ye 2026 ho. Ene me nya adwene nhia. Na ye nyina ye recharge ye ho. Ye mfa wura afemu no nim. Ana anya sa. Me da se pa.
Na no fag na chi.
Enti abuza fo ye be po wa ye da. High Sense, Syntex Tank, My Way Insurance na Holy. Yenyi baako na obi anfa baako ntoni ba.
Ana pacho kilo le na ma o.
Kilo le ne ba.
Ana
for any holy
mochi.
repellent, mosquito repellent. Nana abieso no obi anyi baako ntoni person. Ene pepper. Nti eda mo say ye be hia na o twen se nne. Me kire wo say every Wednesday and Friday ene di jumadi ebro. Kai send me pages ni nie. Me Facebook eye.
Thank you.
Official Nana McBrown. Me Instagram I am Ama McBrown. Me TikTok I am Ama McBrown GH. Adwuma any other creative works that na chire be ye no. Official I am Ama McBrown GH. Na me Snapchat I am Ama and McBrown. I am Ama and McBrown. It is the letter N and the share edin in term. Obia was Snapchat why me full name I bibia any social media bia enyamia money na ho. Medase macrown. You be share you. Mwah. Brim.